Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. On this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about Azure DevOps and AWS. Today, in part 13 of the series Generative AI application development and deployment, we shall complete the coding for the application. On this channel, you will find the training material for Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Azure Web CICD. If you need any help, please message on the channel. On this channel, every video is prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start for the part 13 of ML Ops. First of all, we shall take the user input. For this, the coding is user underscore question equal to st streamlet.txt underscore input. Type your question here. Create a text input box for the user to type their question. So the above line of our code will create a text box to take the input from the user. The next one is we shall search in the vector store. When the user input the question, after that we shall search that question in the vector store. For this, the coding is if user underscore question match vector underscore store dot similarity search user question. So we are passing the user question to our vector database. If the user enter a question, perform a similarity search in the FAISS, find the most relevant chunk related to the question commented. State.write and match would display the match chunks only. So it means that there are difference between the exact match and similarity match. You can apply any one. The next one is we shall define the parameter for our large language model. In large language model, you can see that LLM, chat, OpenAI, we are passing the different parameter. First is the OpenAI API key that we have created in the start of the series. After that, temperature equal to 0, maximum token equal to 1000, model name equal to GPT 3.5 Turbo. So initialize the open chat model by passing this parameter. The turbo equal to 0 makes an answer determinist less creativity, more accuracy. So the temperature equal to 0 is less creativity, more accuracy. For the second one, max underscore token equal to 1000, maximum response length, and use this model of the LLM. For the next one, in the next part, we are questioning answering by using the app. Now we are doing the questioning and answering by using the app. Like, first of all, chain equal to load underscore query underscore chain. We are passing the LLM of the above code that we have defined here. We shall pass LLM chain type equal to stuff, response equal to chain dot run, input document underscore match, question equal to user questions. So we are now passing the user question, and this user question will output the response that we shall catch in the response variable. String.write response. Now we are writing. By using the Streamlet, we are writing the response from the application. The detail are as well. Load the QA chain with the LLM. Chain underscore type stuff means take relevant documents, stuff them into a prompt, send to the LLM. Runs the chain with input underscore document equal to match relevant chunk found by FAISS, and the question equal to user underscore question, the user input. Writes the LLM generator answer to the application. Very important section of the coding. So after this, in this section, the sequence of steps in the generative AI application are as follows. Like, first of all, upload the PDF. After that, extract the text, split into a chunks. The fourth is generative embeddings. The fifth is store in the database, FAIS, vector database. User question, user will put the question as I have explained in the coding for the app. Similarity search, find relevant chunks, pass question to the ChatGPT model. At last, display the answer. So in this case, the next one is we shall chart of the generative AI application. We shall explain it by the chart. First of all, user upload the PDF file. After that, extract text from the PDF. The next one is split text into the chunk 1000 C overlap 150 C. After that, generate embedding using the generative AI embedding. And the next one is the stored embedding in the FAIS index. User type a question into the application, and after that perform the similarity search in the FAIS find chunks most relevant to the user question. And the next one is the past relevant chunk plus question to ChatGPT 3.5. And the last one is the Streamlit display the answer. The next one is, now we shall explain the description of the application of the chart, this chart. Now we are describing the chart of the generative AI application. Read the PDF, split the embeddings text, store embedding into the FAIS, match user question to the relevant chunks, use ChatGPT via LangChain to generate the answer. The last one is show the response in the application. So the graphical diagram of the application is as follows in the generative AI application development and deployment of the Azure AKS. Now in the 13th part of this question, the graphical diagram of the application is user upload the PDF file, extract text from the PDF, split text into the chunk 1000 C plus overlap 150 C, generate embedding using the OpenAI embedding, store embedding in the FAIS index, pass relevant chunk plus question to the GPT 3.5, chat OpenAI via the chain, and the last one is the this is the loop, as you can see that, and the last one is the Streamlit display the answer. This is the graphical diagram for our generative AI application, and in the next part we shall explain the remaining code of this application. Best of luck. See you in the next part.